A very warm welcome to the new semester. This is Debodhati Upadhyay from Electrical Engineering Department. I welcome you all. This is the class of Analog Electronics EE303. Yes, I know in this pandemic situation, this is a new experience that we are going to have through this particular session, through this particular semester. Hope you all are safe, hope you all are healthy in your home. So be there, be safe, be healthy. And as in our previous all semesters, we have done our digital lessons, we have done our digital activities. In the similar way, in this semester also, we will be doing all the digital activities, but in a different kind. Yes, we all are missing our college, we all are missing our classrooms, our friends, but never mind. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope that we are going to meet soon. So again, welcome you all, dear students. This is our very first class of analog electronics. In this particular class, we are going to study about brief and description of different types of electronic circuits. Okay, and for that, the prerequisites that we need to know before we going to start this particular subject, those are network theorem, RLC, different concepts of RLC, resistor, inductor, capacitor, diodes, different concepts of diodes, their forward biasing, reverse biasing, and using all these concepts, we can study analog electronics. What are the course outcome? What are the course objectives that we may have after completion of this particular subject? These are we can have the ability to construct different types of electronics models, different types of electronic projects using the knowledge of this particular subject. After completion of these subjects, analog electronics, you may know about different very specific characteristics of different power electronics, different analog electronics device that we are using in our regular activity, in our daily life. So these are the course objective, course outcome that we are having after completion of this subject. Different types of electronics device, both used in industrial purpose and in domestic purpose, we can have after completion of this subject. So the first chapter that we will be starting over here is op-amp. It is operational amplifier. I will share a link in this particular, after this particular video, you can have another link. By clicking that, you can have a detailed video of basics of op-amp. So I will suggest you go through that video more than once, definitely, because since we are completing our class, or we will be completing our class through digital platform, so without any physical conversation, we have to study the subjects digitally. So only once going through the video will not be enough for each and everybody. Okay, so this is a free YouTube link. You can go through this video more than once as your wish, and after that, if you find any difficulties, you can share that in the comment section. You can mail me in the given mail ID, or you can also WhatsApp me. One thing I will again tell you that if you find any difficulties, feel free to contact with me. Okay. So dear students, once again welcome you all. Welcome to the class of Analog Electronics. Welcome to the new semester, your third semester. And after this video, you can go through the another video that will be provided with this one. So thank you.